Welcome to If We Could YouTube channel. Look up at the night sky. A quiet glow watches over us. It's the moon, our ancient companion. For billions of years, it has shaped the rhythm of life on Earth. It pulls our oceans, controls our tides, and even influences how we sleep. But imagine, one night, you look up, and it's gone. No silver light, no comforting glow, only endless darkness. What would happen to Earth if the moon disappeared? The first to notice wouldn't be humans, but the oceans. The moon's gravity is the invisible hand that makes the tides rise and fall every single day. Without it, those tides would shrink to almost nothing, only a tiny pull left from the sun. Coastlines would change shape. In some places, water would retreat, exposing the seabed. In others, it might flood low areas permanently. Marine life that depends on tidal motion, crabs, shellfish, coral reefs, would begin to die out. The heartbeat of the ocean would stop. But the waves aren't the only things the moon controls. The moon also acts like a stabilizer for our planet's rotation. Without it, Earth would start to wobble on its axis, slowly, but with devastating effects. Right now, Earth's tilt is about 23.5 degrees. That's what gives us our seasons. Without the moon, that tilt could shift between 10 and 45 degrees over time. Imagine Antarctica covered in forests, or the Sahara frozen under snow. Climate zones would migrate, civilizations might collapse, life would be in a constant struggle to adapt. The moonlight has always been a gentle guide in the dark. Without it, nights would be ink black. Only the stars and city lights would pierce the void. No moonlight to guide travelers. No bright glow to calm sleepless minds. For animals, this change would be catastrophic. Sea turtles, who rely on moonlight to find the ocean after hatching, would lose their path. Wolves would stop howling. Nocturnal creatures that depend on the moon's cycles would lose all sense of rhythm. Nature itself would fall out of sync. Humanity would soon realize how fragile our world really is. Nights would be darker than ever before. Entire cities would have to increase artificial lighting just to maintain normal life. Power usage would spike. The sky would lose its magic. Farmers who have followed the moon for centuries, for planting, for harvesting, would have to rewrite their calendars. Even religion, folklore, and art would change, because for the first time in human history, there would be no moon to inspire dreams. Over time, Earth's unstable axis would make the weather unpredictable. Winters might stretch for years in some places, while other regions burn under relentless heat. Massive storms would sweep across continents. The ocean's balance of temperature and salinity would collapse. Humanity would be forced to migrate again, searching for the few remaining places where life is still possible. Beyond the science, there's something deeply human we would lose. The moon has always been our mirror, reflecting our loneliness, our love, our hope. Poets have written to it. Lovers have sworn under it. Without it, the night would feel less alive, less human. The moon isn't just part of our sky, it's part of our story. Scientists believe humans evolved under the moon's light. It shapes our biological clock, our circadian rhythm. Without it, our sleep patterns could slowly break down. More insomnia, more stress, more anxiety. In a world without the moon, even the human mind might start to drift into darkness. But how could the moon simply disappear? In reality, it's nearly impossible, unless struck by a massive object or pulled away by another planet's gravity. But hypothetically, if it did vanish, the Earth would remain in orbit around the sun, yet everything else would change. The tides, the axis, the light, the rhythm of life, all would unravel slowly, over centuries. It wouldn't be instant destruction, but a slow, quiet decay of balance. From space, Earth would look lonely. One blue planet spinning alone in the darkness. No glowing companion to share its orbit. The surface below would still shimmer with life, but the sky above would be empty. And maybe, just maybe, that emptiness would remind us how connected we are to things we take for granted. The moon isn't just a rock orbiting Earth. It's a silent partner that has shaped our evolution, our tides, our hearts. Without it, the Earth would still exist, but it would be a stranger to the world we know. So next time you look up and see the moon shining above, remember, That glow is the balance that keeps our planet alive. This is If We Could, where imagination meets science. Subscribe and explore the impossible with us. Full Moon Rocket.